So this is my old YouTube channel, Tronics Recycling. It's the old name of it. But this fan is broken. I tried fixing it and putting on new wires and everything, but it won't work. So I'd say the motor burnt out in the fan. So I'm going to take it apart. I'll start by chopping off the glue because I want to keep the frame. I want to try and keep the frame anyway. Cut most of it. So the fan is there, and I have more glue here. I have more glue there. So I can easily fix that. So I'll keep them at the side. And here's the fan. I'm gonna probably take it apart, but that's all I can really do with it, really. And I'll just chop these wires off. And some heat shrink, there's some heat shrink, I can use that. Stick that over there. And I got these two wires I can keep them for projects. And this fan, I can cut the sides here with this pliers. And that will go into plastic recycling. And here's the fan. So try and see if I can open it up. Get some of it. Just see if it's copper or aluminium. Looks like copper, but I'm not sure about one side of the motor. So scrapyards, they like when you take the fans off these things here off. They might deduct money off you if you leave that on. So I'll just take them off. Take as much plastic as you can off the motor. So most of the weight will be coming from metal and not plastic. See that over there?